Okay, you get the pillow. Please, Ate Kate. Good girl. More pillow. You get the pillow. More pillow. Good girl. Oh, only 3 pillow. You get another one, Ate. Say mommy.
Easy.
Mommy.
Mommy, easy.
Mommy.
At the good mommy.
AC.
Easy mommy.
Ang sipat. Tawagay mo ang ate ko. You call your ate to sleep here. Sige na.
Hey, come here.
Who is come here? Just say Ate Kate.
At the gate, come here.
Ate Kate, you sleep here beside AC. Come here, ate. Ate. Ate Kate. Ate Kate, you sleep here beside AC. Ate Kate, come here. Come here. Come na, mommy. Ate. Come, mommy. Sa ganahan mo dong. Come to mommy, come. Come. Ale, you sleep here. Oh, sleep lang ka. You want to brush your teeth? You want to brush? Oh, brush pa di. Ay, Jesus, nalimot mong ko. You sleepy na? Okay, you get your toothbrush. Oh my God, what's that? Oh my goodness. Brush your teeth properly. You have to wash your toothbrush properly. Okay. You cover it. You cover. Ate. Ate, you cover. Please. Good job. Properly. You cover it properly. Wala na naminaw.